Let me ask you something. Why do some of your Illustrator drawings look lifeless? Why do some designs feel mechanical and stiff? Maybe the problem isn't talent. Maybe it's the tool you're using. In today's video, I'm going to draw the same human face in two completely different ways. One using only shapes, and the other using the pencil tool. And by the end, you'll decide which one is more powerful. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Vectorial. On this channel, I share real design techniques built from experience. And if you'd like to support the growth of his content, you can join us on Patreon through the link in the description. Patreon members get access to project files, premium vectors, exclusive content, and early access to new videos. Creating comparison videos like this takes serious time and effort, and your support helps keep this channel growing stronger. Now, let's get into it. First, I'll draw the face using only shapes, ellipse, rectangles, pathfinder tools, building everything structurally and symmetrically. The result is clean and precise, but look closely. It feels safe, maybe even a little rigid. Now I'll draw the same face using the pencil tool, allowing the lines to flow more naturally, shaping forms by feeling rather than calculation. Immediately you can see the difference. The pencil version feels more alive, more flexible, more full of character. And here's something important. Shapes keep you safe, but safe designs rarely stand out. If your goal is technical accuracy, shapes are enough. But if your goal is personality and expression, the pencil tool takes you to another level. So, what do you think? Which one is stronger, shapes or pencil? Let me know in the comments. I'm genuinely curious. In reality, the strongest results come from combining both, structure with shapes, character with pencil. And that's what professionals actually do. Both project files from this video are available in my Patreon shop. So if you want to practice, analyze the layers, or use them in your own projects, you can find the link in the description. Patreon members can download them for free along with many other exclusive vectors. If you're serious about improving your design skills and stepping into a higher level, consider investing in yourself and joining us there. When I first started this channel, I relied only on shapes too. Over time, I took risks, made mistakes, deleted projects, and kept going. Don't be afraid to experiment, push your limits, and grow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. When you like a video, YouTube understands that you want to see more content like this and shows you more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.